Good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear me for the wind and the traffic. The other night we had a storm come through, and the winds were absolutely horrible. And this is the result. I know you all seen this before. It turned over once before, or actually this makes it the third time. But this time I'm going to have to redo everything, I think, because the front bed there that you can see right here is partially rotted out, and around the bottom of the lattice work it's partially rotten. So I think I'm just going to have to redo it all. I had other plans when I came out here just now, rather, because I came out the night that it was storming, tried to set it back up, and every time I got it halfway up the wind would just blow it out of my hands, and I just gave up on it and left it lay. But yeah, I'm gonna have to come up with a plan C now, I guess. But I'll let you know what happens as I go along. So we'll be back at some point. Okay, I'm back for a minute. You can see what I've got done here. All this dirt here is the dirt that I got out of the bed there. I still got the other half, which was on the front. I still got that to go because I think I'm going to have to redo it all. Unless I come up with a better idea while I'm in resting. And that's about where I'm ready to go now. Get around here. Oh! You can see on the bottom there how much that has rotted. And on the front here, the whole bottom board is gone. But if I can get this to last maybe 1 or 2 more seasons, I hope to be out of here really soon. And where I go, my dirt's going, because I paid a lot of good money for this dirt, because the dirt that's already here is not worth a crap. But anyhow, this is the bed that I just got finished digging. And all that dirt right there came out of there. Let me go over here and see if I can get over here without breaking my neck. And this is my comfrey that I was so worried about. And it looks a lot better now because everything's starting to come out a little bit. So Debbie, here it is. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them right there, and I guess that's all that made it. But all that will do. Like I said, I know where I can get some more. But anyhow, I'm going to go in and rest for a little bit, because my injured leg is telling me it's time for a stop. So I'm going to go in for a bit. And before I leave here, let me go back this way. There's all the tomato cages that was in my garden up there to keep the neighborhood cats out of it. And I need to redo these because the wood around that is also rotten. And forgive the mess here, but I dug this out. This is where my sage was before. I tore it all out, and here is all the dirt that was in this bed. So I'm going to have to redo that, and probably this one too, because I did all these at the same time. And this is the weeds and the wood and stuff that was in these beds. So yeah, it's time to get this stuff cleaned up and get it ready for spring planting. But that's all my mess. And yes, the people upstairs did bring a buggy, which I'm going to try to take care of that, because I don't like that sitting there. I guess he carts his laundry back and forth from the laundromat around the corner. But yeah, I don't believe in that, because it's not his property. But anyhow, I'm going to go in and have me a cup of coffee and maybe cappuccino. I don't know. But I'm going to get a rest, put my feet up for a little bit, and I'll be back out after a while. Hey everybody, I'm back. We got this, and I do mean we. This is Ben. He is my tenant upstairs, and he helped me finish this. It's so rotten, we just couldn't get it all together. But anyhow, if it lasts me another year or two, I'll be glad. We got the stake drove in the ground. What I'm going to do is put black plastic on the inside to cover what the wood is so rotten that it won't handle. Like what you can see all the way up and down there. And we've got it on this side to where it's all fixed. Looks better than the other side. That's one of the containers that I'm going to put some elderberry bushes in. But anyhow, if it just lasts me another year or two, I'll be happy. So my next step is to put the plastic in, and then Ben said he's going to help me put the dirt back. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning, and those look like real clouds. Of course, there have been some chemtrails already out this morning, but I am out here, and I have already put the plastic around the bed, and Ben's gone, so I guess I'll put the dirt back in there myself. But there it is, and we'll be back. Okay, it is done. It is finished, and it's a good thing because my camera needs charged. And there it is. And sorry about the traffic and the dog barking upstairs, but Ben and Wendy is gone, so he barks all the time while they're gone. But anyhow, I want to go out here and show you that it takes a lot of view away from the side yard, so nobody has to be nosy about what's over there. And now, I wish the bees would hurry up and come get the flowers off of these purple dead nettle and all the dandelions out there, because my yard needs mowed desperately. But anyhow, I'm gonna get off here for now because my battery's about gone. So I will talk to everybody later. Thank you all so much for watching and for all your support. And we'll talk to you later. Y'all stay safe and take care. Bye.